Understanding Online Premiere, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, online premiere. This term is becoming increasingly popular, so understanding it can really enhance your English language skills. Let's explore what it means, its usage, and some examples. The term, online premiere, refers to the first time a piece of content, like a movie, a video, a song, or a web series, is made available to the public over the internet. Unlike traditional premieres that happen in physical locations like cinemas, an online premiere is accessible anywhere with internet access. This concept has gained popularity with the rise of streaming services and digital platforms. Online premiere is commonly used in the entertainment industry. When a new movie or show is about to be released on a streaming platform, you might hear that it's having its online premiere. This is an exciting event, often accompanied by promotions and special announcements on social media and other online platforms. To better understand the phrase, let's see it in action. 1. The documentary's online premiere will be next Friday on our streaming service. 2. Fans around the world are eagerly waiting for the online premiere of the new season. 3. Did you catch the online premiere of the virtual concert last night? Understanding terms like online premiere is crucial in today's digital age, especially for English language learners. It helps you stay updated with modern lingo and enhances your ability to engage in conversations about current trends and media. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of online premiere. Remember, language is always evolving, and keeping up with new terms is a great way to improve your English skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.